Hey, what's going on, guys? This one cuts way too close to home, man. Barbershop etiquette. Thank God I'm bald, My hairline was done from the jump. My stuff was so crooked. It would take like 2, 3 barbers. They'd have to circle around and try to see how to fix my stuff. My barber was like a plastic surgeon. Like, whatever angle you looked at my hairline, it was still crooked. Thankfully, I'm bald and I save about 35. Well, now it's like $45 every 2 weeks to get a cut. But I remember I'd be in a barbershop and I would be waiting there an hour and a half before, I sit down. I'm like, yo, how many people in front of me? Oh, you got him. You got 2 people. I can squeeze you in. Like, wait an hour and a half. All right, bet. Wait in the chair for like an hour and a half, chilling, waiting. And then you're up next. You're waiting for this dude's fade or whatever to get done. And then some mofo pop his head in and he's like, oh, yo, you got me? And my barber's like, oh, yeah, I got you. You up next. And, I'm still like a kid. I'm like 16, 17. This happened, unfortunately, all the way up till I was like 20. And I started like lifting weights and stuff. And it was like a little bit more intimidating. And for some reason, people started treating me different once my neck started to disappear. Your boy was jacked. But, until I was about 20 years old, like people would come in randomly and jip and just take my spot. Like, my barber would let other people come in right before me, and I'm like, it's kind of disrespectful because I'm young, and I always tipped. I mean, it was just $5, but like, that's all I had. I was serving tables. But black barbershop etiquette is awful, and I know I'm not the only person that's experienced this. I've like talking to my black friends about this. And they don't do this in white shops. I don't think they would ever do this in white barbershops. But I just think it's kind of messed up. And, barbershops are a great place to, where men can hang out and like joke and talk about last night's game. But I feel like they should really fix that. But shout out to all my barbers. No disrespect to those barbers that give excellent customer service. You guys make the world a better place. We come in looking raggedy and we come out looking sharp. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. I'm out.